Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, it's Louis Vuitton Day, and for today's episode, I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. You know our practice here, I will be putting all the information that you need to know from product codes, SKU, product features, prices. I will be putting as much as I can, even the launch date if everything is available. Just kindly ready your phone and laptop to take a screenshot. And for orders and availability, kindly check with your CAs or the website. Happy shopping, guys! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach my 4,000 to 5,000 subs this year. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. And kindly like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at RamirFi2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, let us start first with the Neverfull Collection. First, we have the Neverfull BB upside down. Price is €2,200 or $2,859. So it features 2-in-1 reversible design. One side is the monogram canvas and the other side is leather. The color of this one is rose pond. Comes with long strap for crossbody and a pouch that can be worn as a crossbody. This collection is launching September 20th, 2024, and this would also come in the dark fango color. Same colorway, Neverfull BB €2,200 or $2,850 USD. It would feature again the one side monogram canvas and the other is in the leather, that is the color dark fango. It would come with the detachable strap or pouch that you could wear as a crossbody. Then let's go one size bigger. First, we have the Neverfull size MM. Price of this one is €1,800 or $2,440 USD. We have SKU here. It features again the 2-in-1 reversible Neverfull. One side is the monogram canvas and the other side is another canvas. Like the interior, as you could see here, it will also feature the cowhide leather trim. So the difference on this one from the BB, as you would see, it would not come with a detachable pouch. It would come with the regular pocket of the Neverfull BB, as you could see here. Actually, the only thing that new here would be the detachable shoulder strap that you could wear as a crossbody as well. But it's the same feature with the classic Neverfull that we have currently right now. Then we have in the colorway of Rouge, so we have the Neverfull MM upside down. Price is €1,800 or $2,440 USD. So again, features the same classic monogram design, but you could wear it on the reverse side, as you could see here, and it would come with a fully detachable canvas strap. But this one, guys, we have a New York exclusive collection, so Neverfull MM upside down. Price of this one is €1,800 or $2,440 USD. We have SKU here. So the difference of this one is you are going to notice that the cowhide trims that it comes with is treated leather. So if it's color rose pond, the color of the leather is rose pond as well. So just like with this one, the colorway of this one is saffron. Same price point, 2-in-1 reversible Neverfull. One side is the monogram canvas and the other side is canvas, but the leather trims that it comes with is the fully treated colored one, as you could see here. Same thing, it would not come with detachable pouch, just like with the Neverfull BB upside down. Then it would come in the Rouge colorway. Price is €1,800 or $2,440 USD. This New York exclusive collection would be launching, guys. Please take note, November 7, 2024. So maybe it would also be available worldwide, but once I have more info, I would be sharing it on our community wall. So make sure you are currently subscribed. Then we have this very beautiful colorway, the blue. Same price of $1,800 or $2,440 USD. Still the Neverfull size MM upside down. I'm really responding to this colorway, as you can see here, how refreshing the contrast of the brown monogram canvas with the blue canvas colorway of this bag. Next, we have the new design bag. We have the Pochette Metis Backpack. Price of this one is 2,400 euro or 2,970 USD, launching August 30th this month. So new design of Pochette Metis Backpack can be worn as a top handle or crossbody or backpack style. Material is monogram canvas with reverse monogram with gold hardware. Then we have the Mahina FL. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. Price of this one is 4,600 USD. We have SKU here. Colorway of this one is Galley or Gallet. Material is leather, and we're going to notice that they're bringing back the Mahina design from the first collection. Then we have in the Mahina FL Noir colorway, same price of 4,600 USD. I am loving both of the colorway, the Galley and the Noir. As you can see, this one is very discreet because the Louis Vuitton monogram, it's very subtle. It's also the same colorway, so could still be fit with the quiet luxury trend. So again, launching August 30th this month. Next, let us discuss the monogram DEGRADE collection that would be launching September 12th. First, we have the Trio Messenger. Price of this one is 2,400 euros. So it features 2 bags, 1 key pouch, comes with detachable canvas strap, and you could detach the 2 pouches and wear them separately as well. How gorgeous this bag is. Then we have the multiple wallet. Price is 500 euro. We have SKU here. Monogram DEGRADE collection. It would feature the new monogram canvas that has the degradé effect, as we could see here. Color of this one is navy. It would come in the khaki colorway. Later we are going to further discuss. Please take note of the launch date, September 12, 2024. Then this is the khaki colorway. So this first we have the district size PM. Price is 1,900 euro. We have SKU here. So this is a messenger bag style. So this is the interior. Loving the degradé colorway of this one. So guys, kindly comment down below which colorway do you love better with this collection. Would it be the navy one or would it be the khaki? So next we have the Avenue Sling bag. Price of this one is 2,050 euro. SKU is provided, still from the same collection of the monogram DEGRADE. New monogram canvas, so as you can see, it would come with 2 main compartments with silver hardware, and it could be worn as a bum bag, and the canvas strap is not detachable. Next, guys, OMG, this is so beautiful. You know, my forever crush Keepall 25. Price is 2,700 USD. Loving the khaki colorway. As you could see, the bottom part is darker, then it goes lighter as you go up. It would come with the detachable canvas strap and leather trims and leather bag tag as well. Next, we have the Keepall size 50. This one in the navy colorway. Price of this one is 2,900 euro. So it features leather cowhide trims, as we could see here, detachable leather bag tag, and we have detachable and adjustable canvas strap. Next, we have the Gaston wearable wallet. Price is 1,500 euro. So the colorway of this one is navy, still on the same collection. It is like a toiletry pouch but a mini version, but this time it comes already with a detachable canvas strap, as you could see here. And then you could also wear this one as a crossbody or as a clutch bag. Next, we have the locker dop kit. Price is 1,180 USD. Still part of the monogram DEGRADE collection. So the colorway of this one is navy. It would come with leather trims. It would come with leather top handle with silver hardware. Again, guys, please take note that this collection is launching September 12, 2024. Next, we have the very cute steamer wearable wallet. Price is 1,800 euro. Colorway of this one is khaki. It would come with silver hardware. So this is the interior. As you could see, it features a non-detachable strap. It would come with silver hardware chain like this one. So gorgeous. Kind of reminds me, of course, of the Virgil Abloh era. May he rest in peace. Then we have Pochette Voyage Supple or Soft. Apologies for the mispronunciation. Price of this one is 1,290 euro. Colorway is khaki. So this is a Pochette Voyage but the softer version, as you could see here. So you could wear this one as a clutch bag. I'm not really sure if this could be converted into a crossbody bag. Next, we have the Horizon 55. Price is 3,200 euro. Still part of the Monogram DEGRADE collection. So this is the interior, black interior with leather trims. So this is a rolling luggage style. What do you think of this colorway, guys? Kindly comment down below. Then last but not the least on the Monogram DEGRADE collection is the Discovery Backpack. Price of this one is 2,650 euro or 3,200 USD. SKUs provided. So material is monogram canvas, the new design print. It would come in the leather trims with silver hardware. So it has one main compartment, then it has zippered pocket in front. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a shopping bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing family by clicking this cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramira52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!